I guess we getting started here, y'all. Hey everybody, I hope you had a wonderful day. I am going to try my hand at this pottery wheel. What we have here is the clay. This is the knob to speed it up and slow it down. Right here. The clay is nice and soft, very moist. You will see throughout this video that this was not an easy process. In fact, I had company in the room. My son was there, my husband was there, and boy, did they try to distract me. Here I am, making a ball just big enough to try and make a pot. When I say pot, I mean a plant pot. So, I have the clay. It's all molded. It's kneaded just about perfectly. And I'm so looking forward to molding this clay into a plant pot. I just hope I can get it done. I'm having a good time here. Again, I have company. My husband and my son are instructing me as if they are experts at this. So here we have the ball of clay and a little water, and we're getting started. At least, I hope we're getting started. I am ready to try my hand at this pottery wheel and making me some pots for my Hoya plants. I have dug the hole, and I am now forming my own pots. It's a lot of fun. It's very slippery. It is very moist, and it's pasty, and it is everywhere. But I'm having a great time. You can see that I'm actually forming something here, and it does resemble a pot, but with the distractions in the room and having so much fun doing this, I'm just doing it, and I really enjoy this. Like, your hands on clay is quite soothing. So again, here I am forming my pot and trying to be entertained by my son and my husband at the same time. I have no idea what I'm doing. As you can see, it's turned into a bowl. It's not a pot. I have to start over. I don't mind starting over. As long as the clay stays moist, you can keep going. And that is what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to keep the momentum going. And again, this is just me, a beginner. Not actually a beginner, because I learned to do this very early on in life. Actually, my grandmother had a pottery wheel. I did some pottery in high school, and there was a pottery class in Job Corps. So, I do have some experience, but it has been many, many years. And so, here we are, remolding the clay and trying to start that pot again. This time, I'm really hoping to get one done, because I want to show my son that I can do it. And I definitely want to show my husband that I can do it. Just moistening it up. The hole is in the middle, and it already has taken shape. So, I turned the nozzle just a little bit to speed it up some. I'm trying to get it to be just a little taller. I say I'm keeping my fingers crossed, but of course, my fingers are molding this little pot here. It is working out. At least it appears to be working out. I'm really trying to get this done, and they are really distracting me. But I'm having a great time. My hands on clay, it brings back so many memories. This is such fun. And as you can see, this is not a pot. I have no idea what it is. I'm gonna have to start over again. This has been so much fun. I'm gonna continue. I'm really happy to be working on this wheel. I'm having a great time. They are really entertaining me. trying to encourage me. And it was great fun. It really was. I think I just need to be alone in the room with maybe some jazz playing. But this is a really good experience. Again, it's a video for anyone who wants to start pottery. Pottery for beginners. I'm going to put my clay up because I just can't stay focused. As long as these two are in the room, they are so encourageable. So I decided my hands are sticky enough. My clay is not sticky or wet enough to even try again. I speeded it up here. My hands, I'm just complaining about my hands. I'm gonna put this clay away. I'm not gonna make a pot. Or am I? Let's see how this one turns out. Because I definitely decided to try again. I'm not a quitter. And again, I have experience with this, so I know that I can make these pots. But entertaining at the same time, it's just not working out. So it was nice to get my hands sticky and just have the company in the room encouraging me. And they were so silly, and I said I could do it. Like, I'm gonna do this. And so here's the pot that I came up with. It's just molding in its own way. My hands are just dry and I have clay everywhere. So I continued to try and mold this last pot because I was determined. I was determined to show them that I could do this. Here I am, turning the dials again and molding my little bowl. I'm doing the best I can, trying not to be silly with them, but it was just a really good time. I'm so glad that I got the pottery wheel, and I'm so looking forward to making my own pots. Here I am, speeding it up, slowing it down, and that is not a pot. That is not a pot either. It was so much fun. I really enjoyed opening up this pottery wheel and getting started with this clay, and I cannot wait to make the content. This content is going to be awesome, and it is going to help me start something that I know for certain that I can finish this. This is going to be wonderful, wonderful. Like, this is a start to a business that I've always wanted, a flower shop, but I chose plants instead, and these plant pots will come to form. I tried again. As you can see, I did not give up. Again, I am not a quitter, and the jokes and the ridicule, whatever they were doing to try to distract me, it did not deter me from keep trying. Just keep trying. And I molded a few that, look at it, voila, I have a bowl. I have a plant bowl pot thingy. We had an amazing time. Turn the dial down, and I'm just thinking about, I need to clean my hands. I need to put my clay up because I don't want it to get hard. But I want to keep trying, so I do. And I tell them, please just let me do my work. And of course, this one just toppled over too. It was forming, and it looked pretty good for a minute. And I was just wetting my hands and wetting the clay and trying to keep that nice, like where I was trying to make a hole in the bottom, but not in a whole hole. Anyway, it formed just a little bit. It formed. And I was very excited about that with all of the jokes and laughter. I actually came up with like a little bowl here. It's not perfect, so of course I'm not gonna keep it, but I tried and I did not fail. I did pretty good. My first time using my pottery wheel. This is pottery for beginners. I like to remind you of that. I'm just dialing and speeding up and wondering if I should keep the pot or put the clay back in the bag, and just saying that, like, I really have to be alone when I'm doing this. You guys are hilarious, and listen, I want to take this seriously. This is something that I really want to do. I hope you all enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making the video. It was so much fun. Please don't forget to like the video. As always, love, peace, and power from me and mine to you and yours. I'm out of here.